Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow specific contacts to see your phone number on Telegram Web right from your PC. This process is super easy, especially with the new update that gives you more control over who can view your number. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you'll find several options for managing your account. Next, click on Settings. From there, select Privacy and Security. This section is where you can adjust who can see your info, who can message you, and now, thanks to the latest update, decide who can view your phone number. Under the Privacy category, you'll see an option that says, Who can see my phone number? Click on it. You'll now see a few visibility choices such as Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. For this guide, select My Contacts. By doing so, you're allowing only people you know to view your number. But with the new update, you can fine-tune this even further. Right below that, click on Always Allow. This option lets you handpick specific contacts who can always see your number, even if others can't. A list of your Telegram contacts will appear. Go through it and choose the users you want to share your phone number with. Take your time here. You can select as many or as few as you like. Once you've selected the contacts, confirm your choice, and Telegram will instantly update your privacy settings. That's it.